over the black shed, lost from view for a while from me, so I'm relying very much on one box television. We are filming, and the 350 starting the takeoff rump as the 380 turns final behind. And again, expect a very lovely display from the A350. This is the XWB. This is XCERT 2. Well, I told you it'd be good. Well, I think we're only going to have this flying on Monday through to Friday, not the public days. So that's great. XWB doesn't refer to me. Extra wide body A350. As 380 touches down, here go down to the far left hand end, down black and down, turn Several up the road in Derby. Over 600 engines so far on order for these engines. Now here's an interesting fact. You can fit the fuselage of Concorde through the fan case of those engines. Now there you go. Various other versions of the 350 are around, like the Dash 900, which will seat 325 passengers. That's in the 3-class configuration. You can have a longer range, the ultra long range, also being developed. That will have a capacity of flying up to 19 hours. Now that means Singapore Airlines have already ordered the aircraft to restart the Los Angeles and New York direct services to Singapore. A longer fuselage version, the A350-1000, will typically seat around about 366 passengers. Now that aircraft already has been assembled. It's been fitted out now in Toulouse in France, and its maiden flight is due before the end of this year. Wingspan just short of 65 metres. Length of this around about 67 metres. Nothing like the size of the 380 that's coming past. GKN Aerospace involved with all composite rear wing spar, plus composite components including inboard and outboard maps of the 350, all supplied by GKN Aerospace. XWB brings together the very latest in aerodynamics, design and advanced technologies to provide a 25% step change in fuel efficiency. We're aiming for 25% lower seat mile costs compared to the other aircraft potentially around. Orders so far, 802 A380s have been ordered from 42 customers. That is the end of last month, coming past in his low speed, graceful IR. It's a lovely wing, that isn't it? Graceful wing. I've been got iFlyA350.com, please. By the end of June last month, Airbus had delivered a total of 27 A350-900s to 6 operators. 53% composites of the 350, and announced just 2 hours ago here at Farnborough, Virgin Atlantic, to take 12 A350-1000s. That was announced just 2 hours ago by Sir Richard Branson here at Farnborough. Gear coming down. Show is opened this morning by the Right Honourable David Cameron, Prime Minister. Also met Sir Richard Branson at that time together to talk about various bits and pieces. We have, I think, 65 trade delegations from around the world here today. It's very busy in the exhibition area. Those who've been up into that exhibition site, very busy, a lot of business going on. I'm imagining that the A380 is still up on runway, being pushed back into its roost. So 350 may hold off for just a little while. I can't see where the A400 is. So that looks like a standoff. A400 looking straight into the teeth of the 380, well, the 350 drifting around on base, no doubt, for another flyover. Unless 380 gets into its roots, you never know. Timings may work just right. A400 won't take much of a takeoff run to get airborne. A-400M Atlas military airlifter from Airbus. 350, I think we're going to get another run by, it would be quite sensible, quite nice, another flyby. Put the gear up. The A350 XWB family has been awarded common type rating with the A330 family. That cuts down training costs and conversion times, which will save the airlines an awful lot of money. Those Rolls-Royce Trent engines generate 25% lower CO2 emissions than previous engine and airplane configurations. .380 nearly back in its roost.
Das ist alles